It's for look at my things here. Ang ingay naman nito. So guys, this is our food. I'm trying to open this, but it's literally... Look, what are you eating? What are you eating? Ano? Chicken teriyaki. Wala na! Where? Alam ko yun. Makita mo yan? Ano yung status niya? Yung relationship niya. Dahilip lang yan. Natingin ako ng pink kanina. Hi guys, oh my god. Hey! This is my vlog, you know that? This is my vlog. Wait ako! Ayoko na ka. Answer. We're gossip girls. Last semester together. Yeah. Puro chismis. Iiyak pa. Uy, na paano kayo pag-alala ka siya gabi? Ayaw, nung third sem, si Grace. Oh my God! Ito na yun. It's all right here. Walang copy.
Hoy, kantihan ninyo na. Bakit papunta doon yung kaklase mo?
Ano vlogging ka? I'll forget ba nag-vlog ako? Hindi ba vlogging? Nakatago kasi guys. Kalo ka naman to. Nakatago? Sino ba yung nagtatago na yan? You're dummy ass. Goodbye, ma'am. Goodbye.
I'm not done pa sa English.
Ay.
귀요미 이따기는 귀요미 한강이 나온 귀요미 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 한강이 나온 귀요미 나비 오고 귀요미 이따기는
Ayoko! So guys, we're going to Rob. You were going to Rob, right? So that's why we're walking. So yeah, Deserto. It's very hot. It's very mainit talaga. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, I know, right?
I felt like dying na.
Yeah. It's so hot. Even my shoes, mainit na rin. Tumatawa kayo dyan. Bitbackstab nyo ba kami? Wala, chica! Ang gulo kong maging camera. Girl, cameraman. Look at my vlog. Like, parang pili ko nag-ano ko, tourism. Huh? I'm tourist. Tourism. I'm tourism girl. Oh my God! Baby, talaga pag ano ng inis na, be. Yung sama-sama na nga yung ano, be. Hi, guys. Hey, you. Why are you sad? Why are you so malungkot? Uy, ano ba yan? May ginagawa mo dyan. Wait ako.
Wait, nagganyan si Mika. Mika? Si ano? Remaro. Sino pa?
Girl. What you got? Yeah. That's nice. Uy, luncheon meat dito, Bill. Gusto mo luncheon meat? Let's makita, be. So, guys.
Isang araw.
Ano, parang ang sarap na yun to. Yung mga gandang jelly-jelly. Bebeto. Who's Bebeto? Gusto ko ganito, chocolate ko. Pag ano, pag full ko all black yung mga magbibigay sa akin. Hindi magbigay, mag-deny. Let's go to buy, guys.
Ay, ito ba yung sa'yo?
Oo, sabi ko masarap yan. Yung sparkling. Oo. Yeah.
How much is that?
It's 42. How much is yours? Hindi ka piling vlog na talaga ako forever na. Eh, pwede ka vlog. Nag-vlog talaga ako. Wala, magagala tayo. Wait, na magtitingin muna ako ng things here. So guys, look at this. It looks so yummy. And then, what else? Oh, this food. No, I can't afford that. I can't afford that. Just nagtitingin lang ako, guys. It's a suet. So yeah, babalik ako sa kanila. Saan sila? Order. Guys, nakikicharge sila.
Sila na po. Uy, hindi talaga nag-charge. Diyan. Just that.
So guys,
Nagcha-charge sila.
Kakayong
Mga
pa yan,
walang-
Rick? Ano pa nang gagamit?
ano ayun? Ganun mabagal mag-charge.
Bro, I need new phone. Papatnig ako sa mama ko.
I swear. You need new phone. Where are we going, guys?
In the playground after began,
Hey, what's your name?
you and I side by side building castles in the sand. From the first day we met, a friendship so pure. Little did we know it would endure. Through the highs and lows,
Naka 0.5.
stood hand in hand. growing up together like footprints in the sand. But somewhere along the way, the feelings grew from friends to lovers. Me and you from playground paths to something more. Our hearts collide, love knocking at the door. Through the years of friendship, a flame did ignite. Now we dance together in love's sweet light.
Ako din po.
Remember the days of secrets we'd share in the treehouse, dreaming without a care. Through teenage troubles and endless talks, our connection deepened like sidewalk chalk. Through the highs and lows,
Uy, may bata
stood
bibili.
hand in hand, growing up together like footprints in the sand. But somewhere along the way, the
Pero maganda pa to dito, be.
Kaya nakakainis ha. Ano sabi ko sa iyo? Diba nasabi ko sa... May tiso ka? Diba nasabi ko sa inyo na ano? Yung papa niya. Tapos parang...
hearts colliding, love knocking at the door. Through the years of friendship, a flame did ignite. Butterflies flutter, a new chapter start. Our friendship's journey, a map of the heart. From innocent glances to a love so true. Our story unfolds, me and you, hand in hand from the past to the now. Our friendship turned love a sacred vow. In the book of us, a beautiful page from childhood friends.
Punta kami ng ng Korea.
Stay.
Punta kami ng Korea. Korea.
Ay, nasa Korea pala tayo. Ano nga sa... Sarap po.
So, we're going. Okay, where are we going?
Bili tayo. Balik tayo dito.
I want pearl. Kailangan pa ng pwede mo lang ano yung pearl ko. Look at the ring. Ito buy one take one. So guys, we're just checking for checking now. So we forget. We're gonna look for now muna. How pretty is this? I remember punta pa tayo dito. Remember that. Yan, ang cute na sa Ay! Mabibili natin dyan ba yung libre ka namin? Siyempre. Mangarap muna tayo.
Edit mo yan ah. Mag-vlog niya. Bawala ito mag-camera. Pwede?
So guys, sabi kayo sa akin. Ano mga baliw eh. Na mga nag-vlog kayo mag-vlog si mag-vlog. Huwag kang ba?
Hindi ko makakap.
So we're here in the H&M and just looking. So ba nento be? Ibilang ka namin.
Bilang ka namin.
Ang cute niya, parang mga Korean, ano, pag sinagot. Uy, ganyan talaga, walang bulay. Ang ganda niyan. Bagay sa white.
We're gonna go outside because so mall. It's mainit talaga. Literally.